It's better than I remembered it. And it's lighter and brighter more in the morning, but it's got the top cabinets, so lots of living space. No stairs! Favorite.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Super exciting day. Just waiting to meet the agent to pick up the keys.
I put my feet up and we just sing along.
Exciting.
And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
It's better than I remembered it, which is awesome, because as always I was just stressing about how it would be, how it would look, if everything was as I remembered it, because we only get a really quick chance to come and have a look. So I'll do a quick just having a little quick look through, but I'll do like a little quick empty apartment tour like I did with the other place. I just want to be careful because there's some really big windows and it's a dead giveaway of where we live from what you can see out of the windows here, but it's really good. It's nice and bright, which I'm very, very thankful for, without it being super harsh direct light. And it's lighter and brighter more in the morning than in the afternoon, which is also good because in the afternoon is when it gets incredibly hot. So kind of coolish. And even though I said there's some big windows out there, and there's an apartment block over on one side, the glass on the windows and the doors, the sliding doors and all the windows, it's that super highly reflective glass, so you can't see in. Anyway, well, that's my alarm to go and move my car. But yeah, look, so the master bedroom's got some sliding doors off to the balcony, and it's a really big balcony. And then in the master bedroom, there's this long corridor that's got like a, not a walk-in robe, it's kind of like a walk-in robe, a walk-through robe, but it's partitioned off with sliding doors. But I was thinking of putting just a little skinny office desk in here, just so it's out of the living room and dining room area, because it's still only a 2-bedroom apartment. Just to keep it like its own little spot, but that's not in the main living area. And then the bathroom, I love these kind of bathroom cabinets so much better than the under cabinet type, but it's got the top cabinets and the bottom cabinets as well, which I'm so glad for. And just, you know, stock standard shower, but it's, you know, it's nice, it's big, and it's got a hand thing, so no more of that stupid red bucket to clean the flipping showers. So yeah, good. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I'm sure the boys are gonna love it. And as you might have noticed, carpet. But I'm just gonna put it, it's just like a, you know, it's the color of like a wooden floor pretty much. And it means that you've only got to do one cleaning job, which is vacuum. So you don't have to vacuum plus mop. So no more high gloss tiles to have to contend with. And I'll show you outdoors later, but I'll just do it a bit more carefully after I've moved the car. And then like the boys' room is over on that side. And then you've got the living area there. And then that's the master bedroom, the kitchen, and then this is this big dining area. So lots of living space, and I'm sure it's bigger overall than the last place. And no stairs! And that's just a little laundry closet. So that's perfectly fine. I wish it had a shelf there. Honestly, when laundries have a shelf there, it makes it so much easier. Where's that? Okay, there we go. So yeah, anyway, I've got to go move my car. Oh, look at that cute kitchen. Now, I have got a lot to say about this kitchen because you know I'm a fan of white kitchens, but they have their pros and cons. And I will go through those a bit later. Oh, that's just some cleaning product or something, some building residue. Cute little thing to put some cookbooks or some styling things. Bit of fluff. But it's good. It's definitely different. It's like a I'm not even sure what this kind of finish is. Is it stone? I don't know, it's some kind of stone. But then the backsplash is the same kind of thing. Oh, I didn't do the greatest job cleaning. But I have to do the entry condition report. So all the appliances are actually Smeg. So Smeg, and the dishwasher, which is great, has my favorite cutlery drawer, which is nice. Anyway, I've got to move my car and we will pick this up again a little bit later or this afternoon when we start moving. And lots of drawers in the kitchen, which is so good. And a good sized pantry. And then just off to the side, that's where the double storage closet is, and then that single storage closet is, that I'm going to use like as an entry closet. That one, I don't know yet. I'll either use it for just everyday storage, or maybe I might turn it into a second pantry. Who knows? But I think there's plenty of storage in the kitchen, actually, just to do pantry on its own. Or maybe here. I don't know, it depends. I don't know. I don't want to go filling up this apartment with furniture, to be honest. I just want to kind of minimize and just pare down the amount of stuff, just to make it super minimal and nice and neat and clean and easy. But that is a huge space. We are going to be able to fit a massive dining table in there. No problem at all. It's bigger than what I remembered, which is great. And then more than enough room here for the sofa, TV things there. I'm not putting the big white TV unit. I'm going to do something a little bit different. And then I was thinking maybe with the sofas, maybe off the wall, because there's so much space, just putting a row of like those white, just the Kallax cube bookshelves. We've got quite a few of those. Just putting a row of them because it has to be the depth that you can take like the record player and things. So just to have that as a bookshelf, and then it will be able to have like a walkthrough, and then the sofas, and then the living room. But I guess we won't know until we kind of start to see furniture in here. So anyway, that is that. Grab the keys and let's go. Hey.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling.
Oh God, it's so beautiful and bright too. Not dark and bloody depressing like the other place. And not looking at old mate's dad board across the way. Sorry, buddy. I just bought an assortment of organisers over just to do a little bit of measuring. Or I should have bought a toy for him. Never mind. Big drawers. Fit everything. And a two-way kitchen. So now we're not blocked off. Like when someone's in the kitchen and the dishwasher's open, or you've got a cupboard door open or something, you block off the entire kitchen. But now, this is another one of the reasons why I chose this particular apartment with this layout, is because it's got a dual access kitchen and beautiful ducted air, so it's nice and cool. Okay, all right, stop gushing. And do you hear that? No, you literally cannot hear anything. With the doors and windows shut, you can't hear anything. Like someone I heard in the hallway, someone's got music on in their thing. You shut the door, it literally just shuts everything out. It's like a vault in here, which is absolutely brilliant. It is just perfect. Now let's see, this is not going to fit in here. That's definitely going to be too shallow.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
this time. Microwave and air fryer. Okay, so we might put all of the dishes in the drawers so that Riley can reach them. Drawers and glasses, and then maybe put like the glass dishes in here, maybe, I'm not sure. It's good to know that they fit in there, although I don't think I'm going to need to use those in there. That can be for pretty much what it's used for now, which is wine glasses and things. Yikes. And then I'm sure, of course, this is going to fit.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
I just kind of wanted to get away from having loads of stuff on the counters anymore. I'm kind of just a bit over that. I want it to be super, super, super minimal. Let's see.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
Everything's fully adjustable, so we can change that around. Oh, lazy Susan. Bugger, I don't think that two are going to fit side by side anywhere, which is slightly annoying. It means we can only use one at a time. And that could be good for up there. And then I think otherwise this fits underneath with shallow things. Anyway, that will need some more tweaking and playing around with, but
do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up when I dance around.
I'm sure we're going to be switching it around about 1,000 times, which is cool. Let's just put this under here for now.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.